Hi, Froggy friends. Today we're going to read One Little Bird and Her Friends. Who's hiding in the trees? One wise owl and two bushy-tailed squirrels. Ready? One, two. Who's fluttering around the raccoon's head? Three beautiful butterflies. One, two, three. Who's hiding from Mommy Badger? Four mischievous badger cubs. One, two, three, four. Who's digging in the earth? Five little moles. One, two, three, four, five. Who's splashing in the river? Six leaping frogs. One, two, three, four, five, six. Who's making a dam of twigs? Seven busy beavers. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Who's making an awful stink? Eight smelly skunks. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Who's eating all the leaves? Nine hungry snails. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Who lives in the tree branches? 10 fluffy chicks. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. And who's walking in the woods? It's me! The end. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you soon.